kind of bored of my life. Pretty, I was like you, pal. You were like me? Annie, thanks for following me. I hear kilusap. What is kilusap? Tell me what is kilusap so I know. Sa akate, oh. Ano kabalo ka? Annie, thanks for sharing the live. Kimi, yeah. Annie, thanks for sharing the live. I love you. Oh my gosh. Guys, wala na ko. Your uniform? No, it's not a uniform. It's my sanina. Okay, guys. Pangutaan mo questions. Bisig unsa par na ako i-istorya. Ate, Amerikano imong papa. Like, dili Amerikano. Like, German. Ate, may half ka o German. Imong mama, Filipino. Guys, pangutaan mo question. Me more questions. I really like this scripted, by the way. Mag-English siya per minute. Oh, mag-English na siya per 1 second. You have BF ba? No. You're so pretty. Thank you, Alraka. My school is sa... How about shout out kanimo? Shout out Mitch Bantog ra kay liwat. Akong papa? Di ay lahi man mi. Kulisap yung insekto na tumutong tuwing. Ow, okay. Like cricket. How about shout out kanimo? Shout out Mitch. Abi na ko daw. Thank you, Fernando Rana. Yes. Yes, Yani. Anong grade mo na? Secret. Hansel, thanks for following me. Hello, dead shit. Kuya, akag na mo eh. Pangutan na pa mo guys. Ask me more questions. Para dili boring ang live. Para di pa boringan. Para na may buhatson good. Ate, pa-follow back. Sige, Kimi. Follow back di ka kay. Sige, kuan sa kong live. Sige, pangutaan na. Sige, chat. So, I'll follow you back. Hello, Angela. More di ka Coco ba? What's like Coco? Kuko. Oh, kato. Okay lang ka ng kuko eh. Salamat eh. Yes, Kimi, after my live. Are you an actress? No, but I think I know what actress you think I look like. Coco Labla. Kalayo. Ajudas. Layo di kayo. Coco Martin. Coco Martin, kuya ba? Yang Z, thanks for following me. What can you say about the happenings in the Congress right now? I honestly don't care about the Congress in the Philippines because, you know, that's none of my business. I'm moving anyway. So beautiful. Thank you, Arabo. What's your favorite song? Let me think. Right now, it's Timeless by Taylor Swift. Actually, Mia, I'm Filipinos, but my language is British because British is my favorite language. I don't think British is a language. It's kind of like a slang. I think the language that you mean to say is English. That shit, thanks for following me. Ate, what age are you? Secret. Kaila ka ni Yusuf katong grade 7? Oo nga naman, kaila ka lagi niya. Ano, kaila ka na yan? You're Filipino, so yes, Hansel. Where did you born? Germany or Philippines? Philippines. Wata wata? Yeah, that's how British say it. Wata. Te lumpia or leche manok? Lumpia. Lissy, hello Lissy. Welcome Lissy. Guys, pangutan na pa mo questions. Ask me more questions. Go ahead. Ay, kaulaw. Yes. When I'm in school, I only speak English. Yes. May kalok-alay kang artist si Sia by Girl Migas. Classmate sa akong ate. Ow! Bata ka dis mong ate, grade 7. Kailang Yusuf, cute ki siya. Sa gamay o Amerikano, dili ko liwat o Amerikano. Ay, liwat ko gamay o kayo. You're Jean. Yes. John Lawrence, hello. Pag-spam mo guys, para na yung mga tao mo tatong live. Cute, thank you Hansel. Ay, nga no sikat jud. Di ay ka ning English ta sa unya og mo adto tas lain country kay mag-English. Sikat ang English good kay national language good. Sali ka Showtime kalok alike o basin. Hi Mark Smeggles. Anong Smeggles? Hi Tay, nanasad ko. Welcome back to Nasa Twain. Bitaw et Mark Americana. Salamat Lizzie. Half mangugo per di Americana. Hello Lilibet. Because I have 3 uncle, they are foreigner. That's cool Heather. Look alike kay mo Smeggles. Sino si Smeggles? Bantay asbang na ha? Or bantay cartoon na ka kuya no? Okay, pangulta na pa mo guys. Ask me more questions. Do you have natural curly hair? Do you curl it? I have natural curly hair. Hi, I'm here. Welcome, Celso Lamotos. Lissy, yes, it's funny. You have a brother? Yes, I have a brother. Mora ata nag-goblin at kanang smegas pisti mo guys. Lainan ninyo oy ginasakitan mo ko ninyo. At halay na mag-live kaming ka kono musigat ko ana. Oh, basin kung sige ra kag continue og live gaming. You have brother? Yes, Hansel. Or he's married na. Naalala mo ba ako? Oo. You have boy? Do you mean boyfriend? No, I don't have boyfriend. Where you from? Philippines. Ate, pa-British ko na unya ga. Yaan rin kag sagot. Ate, British ko no. Unya, gaan rin kag sagot. Sige, mag-British. I will try to speak or talk with a British accent even though I suck at it. Where you from? Philippines. Then I said, go, welcome back to Nessa Twain. Hello, Taya. RJ Galo, thanks for following me. Ano ang FB mo? Lena space STUMPF. Hello, Chloe Princess. Ate, are you looking forward for a boyfriend or something? Yes. Di ba, te, walay nay? Unsay wala nay ang British? Te, ganina ka nag-live. Oh, is your brother also half? Pure siya. What do you mean, Hansel? Kimi R? Yeah, there's no in British English. Do you have your own house or you still live with your parents? I live with my parents. I'm still young. Wala na siya R. Ang British, oh. Dili, ilito ang R. Pure akong brothers, yes. Oh, good luck for finding a boyfriend. Thank you, Angela. But actually, I have a, naana ko manifest nga lalaki. What your name? Lena Bell. Or you can call me Lena. Uban na ana? Ang unsa man ang R? Uban nga slang? Yes, ang uban nga slang na R. Pure what? Pure German. Pure Pinoy ka pa ba? Hindi. Half ako. Oh, yes, Kimi. Oh, yes, handsome. User 596, thanks for sharing the live. Na kay crush, yes. Dua. Ali, are you Sigma? No, I have a no jawline. But I'm trying to grow my jawline. And maka-trend ako Sigma. Diba, te? Kaya ang Pinoy mao'y pinaka-bright. Dili bright ang Pinoy. Kala ko ate nasa America ka. No, I'm not in America. But soon I will be. And I will meet my future boyfriend, Angela. Ganun mo kabalo. Ganun mo makaila sa akong crush, guys. Naku, picture niya. Ano na grade mo, te? A secret. Unti ka sa bag na ko. Kanang labalo og mag-practice. Ha? Maimuha. What's your boy name? Harold Christopher George Lewis. Reveal daw at sige. Do you know how to speak Pangasinese? No. Namali og spell. Okay, Kimi. Gadali. Nakasugbote. Wala. Uy. Di ko magtugsugbo na kanto. Manifesting. Ampos Ginoo. Ate, kabalo ka mukhan. Kinam. Anong FB mo, Lina? Pwede mo kanta right now because I'm kind of sick. And akong save akong voice. Kaya mo kanta pa ko sa stage ika 14 of February. Kaya na event. Akong i-search. Akong tayo lahi sa mong future boyfriend. British. I-manifest na nato siya, guys. Yung maka-anak, may charot. Anak ni Diane, why you so cute? Because you're so cute. Kate, tulungan di kag-English, Kimi. Sa'yo naman ang English. Uy, do you wear makeup while sleeping? No, uy. Doon kasi bute. Dili, what's your